If you're wondering which type of roof is best for your home, read on to discover more about the various types available. You may also find some of the most popular materials. You can also request a free quote. 1. Gable. Gabled roofs are an interesting type. Originally from France, this style has at least 4 slopes. These slopes meet in the middle to prevent snow accumulation. Central guttering runs between the 2 pitches, preventing snow from piling up. It can be either 1 or 2-storied, so you can use any type of material to cover them. There are even several different styles of gables, so take your pick. The downside of a gable is that it's vulnerable to high winds, which means that it might be susceptible to tearing off in a storm. 2. Hip. These roofs have steep ridges that extend towards the ends of the building, whereas a gambrel or flat has a gentle slope. These types of roofs are great for homes in areas with high rainfall or cold temperatures. It also offers a great deal of outdoor living space. You can even install AC units on these types, which is another benefit of low-sloped. 3. Flat. However, it is difficult to maintain them in winter. Regardless of what type you choose, these can last between 25 and 30 years. They are great for homes with flat roofs because they are cool in the summer, but they can also be a hassle to maintain during the winter. It is the most common type for most commercial spaces and business buildings.